welcome to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. In this video, we're gonna make a mascara review. Thank you. Like the screen was just flipping. Anyway, so in this video, I'm gonna make a mascara review, and I'm gonna talk about this mascara here. It's from Essence. It's Lash Princess, and the second one. I had another review for its sister. I'm gonna link in the comment description box down below if you want to go and check it out. Actually, I have two videos. I have one video for a review and demo just like this, and another video for comparing it with the fake one, so if you are interested. But for this one, I'm gonna talk about it. It's a Lash Princess Volume Mascara. It's the orange one, and this one have a really nice shape. Of course, as usual, if you're following me, I'm gonna talk about the packaging at the first thing. So as you can see, the packaging is really good. Actually, it's kind of a very feminine kind of a packaging. It's really black and have this lovely like drawing, like it's a rubber drawing. It looks so beautiful. The packaging is amazing. I love the packaging so much, so I'm gonna give it a thumb up. For the brush itself, from inside, I'm gonna jump in to the inside. You're gonna talk about the brush. The brush, it has a really weird shape actually, but it's really nice. It's not silicone, so I don't love the not silicone brush. I love silicone brushes, but for these kind of brushes, I really love them because they are not very big. The size is very convenient for my eyes because I have kind of a small eyes, so I'm not a fan of a big brush with the big bristles. I love a small brush with the small bristles. This one is really nice because I have kind of a curved shape with longer bristles on one side and short bristles on the other side. The shape of this one is very unique, but in the same time is really good. Actually, when you apply your mascara, it just add volume and length in the same time, so it gives you everything you want. So if you want volume and length, you don't need to use multiple mascaras. Actually, this one is really good, adding a length and a volume for your lashes and give you the massive lashes, kind of a false lashes effect with 2 or 3 coats if you have a shorter lashes than mine. So the brush is pretty good and very unique shape, and I really love it so much. It's not silicone, but I'm still in love with it, so I'm gonna give it a thumb up. For the material itself of the mascara, it's really soft, it's really dark, it's really black. I am a fan of a black mascara. It's really black and very creamy and glides on your eyelashes very smoothly. But with this one, you need to work really quickly applying 2 coats if you're gonna apply 2 coats, because if you applying one coat and apply the second coat after a few seconds, actually dries really quickly, so you will have a little bit of clumps because it's kind of a creamy consistency, like kind of a thick creamy, so it will dry very fast and you will have a little bit of clumps. But if you have clumps, you can comb it with a comb brush and it will look so amazing, just like what I have here. I am wearing 2 coats of this mascara in this look actually, and as you can see, it looks so beautiful and make my lashes looks massive and amazing. And of course, for this makeup, I'm gonna link in the comment description box down below if you want to go and check it out. But for this look, I used 2 coats from this, and yeah, as usual, I'm gonna leave you now with 1 coat and 2 coats comparing to a bare eye, so you can see the effect of this mascara on my lashes, because I have kind of a long lashes, so you need to see the effect of this mascara. So I'm gonna leave you now to see these 2 clips, to see the 1 and 2 coats comparing to my bare lashes. I'm gonna come back to continue my review.
So I could be color unknown, and then I tell how to look into my eyes and never let it go.
For the staying power of this mascara is amazing, stays on forever, like the whole day, even in the hot weather. I used it from years and years ago and still in love with it. It's amazing one, stays on forever, like you are just applying it just right now from day to night, even in hot weather, and also doesn't smudge underneath my eyes, which is amazing. It's like a bonus, especially in hot weather, because I told you this one is one of my favorites actually from years and years ago. I had a review from years on my old channel like it was the first review or the first video ever I recorded with my camera, which I'm recording with it right now. So I can't forget that one. Of course, it's deleted with my old channel, but it was from like 2016, I guess. And yeah, I use it many times and I'm still in love with it every time I use it. So I really need to make a review about it because it's one of my favorite like forever. So yeah, it stays on and no smudging during the day, which is amazing. So of course, thumb up. The band eyes, it doesn't make any band eyes, which is a bonus because band eyes is like a pain in the butt. So this one doesn't make any band eyes. If I have like multiple coats, 2 coats or more, or having it with a combination of other mascaras, I use my clean sponge from Shein, or I just wash my eyes really gently with like twice before I wash my face or remove or use a makeup remover. But alone, this one doesn't make any band eyes, which is a bonus. I love it so much. It just like come out from my eyelashes very nicely without leaving any residues or anything. So this is a really nice thing. So of course, thumb up. Okay, let's sum up everything that we said in this video. For the packaging, of course, thumb up. For the brush, thumb up. For the material, of course, it's very black and very nice. Thumb up. And for the staying power, no smudging, doesn't make any smudging and it stays on forever. Thumb up. And no band eyes, which is amazing. Of course, thumb up. So this one is one of my favorites. I love it so much. As I told you, I use it many times and every time I use it I fall in love with it. So it's really recommended. If you didn't use it before, I really recommend this mascara for you. And the price is very handy, so it's like a bonus actually for this mascara. So yeah, this is for this review. I really hope you like it and it was helpful for you. And of course, as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you so much. Bye!
Her head was down, face locked onto the phone. And I wished I'd had a number so I could be color unknown. And then I tell her to look into